Can you hear the sound of nature? So lovely. Yo, what's up? Just arrived to the Tegallalang. This lovely lady welcoming me to selling me radler. You have radler, yes? Oh my god. Coca-Cola, yeah? Coca-Cola, yeah? Okay. I will show you guys around. I mean, not so busy. It's busy, no?
You can fool.
Many people, no?
No, not many people.
I'm only one?
Yeah, just you.
Oh my god, so I can sit wherever I want, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh my god, oh beautiful chairs actually now. When I was last time was little bit different. So this is the Tegallalang. And completely not even single person is around. The beautiful coconut trees. All right. So basically I'm sitting here in the one warung in Tegallalang having my coconut overlooking the beautiful rice. Actually I'm sitting facing something different, but then I face the camera so you can see what I could see. Today's vlog, actually I wanted to do something completely different. I wanted to show you the furniture shops, accessory shops, generally the area in Tegallalang, coming from the big statue in Ubud Center going to Tegallalang area, where you can buy almost everything what you need to your home, villa, restaurant, doesn't matter, like the chairs like this one for example, like this one, or this thingy where you can put the couch and sit. Many other accessories like this. This is the rattan tree chairs, like a proper wood furniture, big tables, like huge tables. If you have ever been in Bali, you know what I mean. However, unfortunately, literally everything is closed. It's 4:30 actually when I was now it's 5, but before it was 4:30 p.m. But I think it doesn't matter about the hour. It was just closed. Maybe I will try on the weekend, where is more people coming from different islands of Indonesia, and maybe business owners have more time on the weekend and the shops are open on the weekend. However, unfortunately today I cannot show you that. Also, that was the request for the one person just text me 2 hours 3 hours ago about that. I'm so sorry, mate. I will try my best to show you and more about the beautiful area in the future. However, at this current conditions, as you can see overlooking the Tegallalang and the rice fields over here, it's really nothing is happening. However, I will show you a little bit of the road. Probably I will put some quiet music because it's quite windy was there. I don't really sure if you prefer to listen like a stuff like this. Actually, you can comment below if when I'm driving a bike, do you wanna listen the sounds of the wind, or you prefer when I'm driving having some calm music? Comment below. Yeah, I will show you like this now. How are you? Good.
Misik mano business bangkrut.
I know business
No have money
bank.
for drink. This yang kekenat. Me go down happy ya.
No, thank you. I have to go.
Because me small baby, me walking 2
I
kilometers.
know.
No have money for drink for baby.
I'm so sorry. Yeah,
Ya baik.
I'm so sorry.
This yang
Okay, this one cafe is open. We'll come back. Also having a while sitting here and thinking about the current situation, I would like to ask you guys what would you like to see in the next few weeks, few days. For everyone who is new on the channel, we do vlogs every single day. However, for you guys who subscribe us already for longer time, please let me know what do you think. I got idea to go to all around Bali, maybe 2 nights 3 days around Bali by bike or rent a car and drive around, but now currently conditions to renting a car also are not really good because many rental companies, you have to be just careful because they try to scam you, you know. They give you car you didn't scratch, but they said as you scratch, and then a lot of problems. So probably by bike I will stay in Amed and in Lovina. Maybe if you're interested much more, I will stay in Amed, Lovina and somewhere in the West Bali, maybe in Pemutaran. I hope so. It's called Pemutaran, the place. However, I'm pretty sure not much is happening around. Maybe I will show you Chandidasa, Virgin Beach and Amed itself only during the current situation, or maybe Lovina as well. Comment below what do you think, if you're interested to see the stuff like this, or you are just interested more about showing you city, mostly Sanur, Kutalegian, Seminyak, Canggu, Ubud sometimes. Comment below, really much appreciate, because mostly I'm doing vlogs for you, not just for myself, because you guys watching it. If you don't watch, I will just make just for making memories. It's also actually quite good stuff to do, because that's what is happening now, right now in the area of Bali. It's gonna be in the history whenever for sure. I think Liam that's comment long time ago, not so long time ago actually, about what you're doing now later when everything come back to normal, because one day for sure everything will come back to normal. You can do like a half screen and half screen of the comparison, like 2020 2021 versus now, let's say in 2023 or 24, whenever everything come back to normal, and like sitting even in this restaurant where is totally nobody and talking about that, versus when we'll be around people everywhere. That's quite interesting. Yeah, comment below guys, what do you think about that? What would you like to see in the next past few days? Alright guys, that's it for today's vlog, and that's how it is everywhere around. I hope so you still enjoyed. Like always, I'm showing how is it, and something new tomorrow. See ya, 4 p.m. See ya, take care guys.